What's going on YouTube? And it's your boy again, Daryl, aka DK, whatever you wanna call me. And we're here again for our new bike build. And please enjoy and check it out. Start off, I'm deflating the tires, front and rear. I changed both tires from BMX to the mini mountain bike, and the mini mountain bike is quite rip off the inner part of the rim tape is like loose, as you can see, is all coming off. So I decided to take the one from BMX that's still okay and put it in the other bike, as well as the tires, both tires. So I'm riding the mountain bike with the BMX tires. I still use the other one for front, and the rear one I just put the electric tape as the old school way. And yeah, this is how it looks like when after changing it. I got a plan with this BMX bike, the green one, but not right now. So at this point, I try to communicate with the bike, ride it, and bring it to shopping, and yeah, try to feel the bike, how it goes with the BMX tires, and yeah, quite okay, as I say. So it's
here
rolling nice.
Feel the bike. So what can I do with this bike? So right now we're riding it. You can see.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna start to clean this bike.
At this point, I prepare some dishwashing liquid soap plus the vinegar. I mix it all together, a little bit of salt and the water, just to give a little touch up for the mini mountain bike before taking off the decals. I just use my Mrs. hair dryer, as it's just a minor work of decals. So yeah, I just use it. Removing decals is quite a job, so yeah, still done it.
Oh yeah. Oh, winter is coming.
Yeah, at this point I'm flexing
I want
the
to thank my missus for this
balaclava.
gear.
This from my missus. It's winter gear. Shout out to my missus. Thank you very much for this. This is very helpful, warm and comfortable gear. Make sure you have a gear this winter.
Enjoy.
move on to this point of the decals. As I decided here to do for the frame, it's like it's quite cheap. As you can see, the white part bit there in the top tube, and I decided to remove all the decals as it's all pink, and obviously it's for girl, so I just remove it and keep it plain, keep it simple. So I'm ready to clean the bike now. I have this cleaner. At this point, I'm going to clean the bike with some of the old used toilet cleaner, and just scrub it and remove the decals residue. This all end up after cleaning. Moreover that this is the parts that we're going to use, except for the seat post. It's just a score from Timu. The grips, the brake shell, plus this shifter. The brake pads is from the old bicycle. From this one as well, from brake lever is from Timu. The handlebar I just scored it from eBay for $5, as I offer less £3 because the seller posted for £8. I just put £5 on it. Yeah, this is the brake ends, colorful brake ends. This stem that we're going to use is from the bike that I pick up on the street, plus this seat, bike seat, the saddle. I just changed it to the other one, the pink one to the black one. Move on to the parts. I just strip off the excess parts that I don't like in this build. So I just remove the grips because it's quite old, plus the bell, the brake lever, all gonna change that into a different. The brake caliper for this is okay, but the spring is not pushing back, so decided to change it with another one. You will see it later. Plus the brake pads is not really gripping proper, so it's quite cracking. It's already cracking in the back bit of the brake pad, so yeah, decided to change it as well. And yeah, almost finished. Just the shifter and the front brake. While I'm doing that, I decided to dip in the bolts to the excess cleaner that I used earlier and mix it all together, and additional some evaporous just to remove the rust so I can use the old bolts. Moving on to this bike rack, this is from my neighbor, as I fixed her bike, and she said if it's okay to me if I accept the bike that she got as a payment, the parts of it, because she got two bikes and the other bikes is a bit old tires, so I decided to give her my excess parts, as you know I'm not using it, and she decided to pay me with the old bits. You will see it later. I will show you in the picture. Yeah, this is the finished product after cleaning it by brush, and the brake caliper turns good. These were the brake caliper and the rear rack came from the red one. The other one beside it, the lady's mountain bike, is the one that I fixed. Yeah, me here, as you can see, I'm loosening the screw so I can remove the rear rack freely. Plus I include the brake caliper, as I say earlier, the spring is not pushing back in the old mini mountain bike. So yeah. Thanks to Rapa as well. That's her name. That's the one who gave these parts. As you can see, at that point I'm struggling with the distance of the rear rack from the rear frame, so I decided to put some connectors just to make it a little bit longer, and so it's like going to be stable. By the way, speaking about the music that I'm using, this is from Groove Pad. Groove Pad. Blah. Groove Pad. Yeah, it's from Groove Pad app. You can get from the Play Store. It's just free, but if you want to open all the music, you have to subscribe to them. It's around 11 quid a month, and it's quite expensive. I can't do it. At this point, I get the right measurement of the rack, so I just tighten the bolts, and yeah, this is how it end up. This is the brand of the brake calipers. As I say, after using it, it went well. It's nice B brakes. This brand, old school one, good score. The BMX tires turns great, isn't it? At this point, I'm removing the stem, the old stem from the mini mountain bike, and I'm gonna swap it with the mini BMX bike stem. It's from the old, not old, from the street that I pick up. Couldn't find the photo, but this is the photo after. This me trying to ask my partner if it's okay, but she said it's too much if I put blue in the handlebars. So keep the old plan. I was watching so many bloggers about building bicycle. I learned this from Second Life Bikes, Gary's projects, and Toasty Rides. There are some few good mechanics out there, and yeah, just learn some bits from them. This is how it end up after putting the handlebars. I think it's quite really nice if I put more on black. What do you think? Here I'm going to put this tupre. Nice brake lever and quite cheap as well. Get it from a bundle discount from Temu. Additional to this is part of the discount grips. As you can see there, I easily put the grips inside. It's because there's a mini plastic around inside, as I'm gonna show you later, because I forgot the shifter lever. But yeah, this is how it turns out without the shifter lever. Yeah, that's the one I'm talking about. Shifter lever, part of Temu as well. I decided to put some blue cables to match up the frame paint. Before, I'm not measuring the brake cable as my experience, and when I have a short one, I didn't do it again. I have to measure it. So yeah, managed to clean up this uh, brake stopper, cable stopper with the Dremel. This is a little advertisement from my son. Uh, yeah, we are talking about which cable length that we're going to put. And I asked him.
Give you some colorful one. Some colorful one.
No, only this.
I got colorful.
Gray one.
May colorful one si daddy. Sama?
Gray. And gray. Eh. Oh my goodness.
I thought you want gray. Stick with gray then. Which one ang lalagyan natin sa bike? Anong kulay lalagyan natin sa bike? Pick one color.
Red.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, at this point, this is the rear cable, and measure it as well. Putting some oil to make it more functional. I mean, smooth. Sorry, I don't have a camera stand, so yeah, make out of it. I've used the old shifter cable as it has the measurement already. I just clean it with the outer one with some T-cut, and yeah, add some oil as well. This sprocket here is quite dirty. It's rusty, and I didn't manage to clean it, as this is a proper improper build. And yeah, I just changed what is needed. Yeah, again, no camera stand, so decided one by one. Brake went smooth. Nice. cable lengths, yeah, Timu. Watch how I lock the cable lengths. When you do this way, for sure of you never get a loose or non cable lengths no more. Yeah, I put some ticket earlier, so hear me just rubbing up some excess grease from the bike with the wipes. This is the seat post I just picked up from an electric box. Forget to take a photo, but it's just hanging there while I'm riding home, and yeah, go straight to the basket. These brake cables come up with this brake holder, cable holders. Rub the seat as well with some T-cut. Yeah, hear me trying to fit in the seat post, and yeah, still loose. So yeah, I just cleaned the old seat post with the Dremel, and yeah, pour it back again. Mainly though, talking about these stickers, this is just a score from eBay. £3. This is a mixed sticker from the 90s, a mix from the millennial, how you call it. And yeah, decided to put this extra large as much as the color, because I put as well the extra large handlebar, the oversized one from the BMX, and yeah. This is the Lego sticker, trying to cut the red background as it's too much reddish if I put this one. What? I know you're really excited and how it ended up. Yeah, this is me trying to put the bongi cord, as this rear rack is going to help me a lot in shopping. I removed this sprocket cover protector as quite old for the bike. I like how it ended up in the hope you like the video, and make sure you subscribe if you don't mind. Thanks for watching, and please tell me in the comments if you learned something from this bike. As I'm telling you guys, save a lot of money, and it will help you a lot in the future. Peace.
What's your name?
Adam.
Adam.
Yeah.
Thank you, Adam.
baby, push it. Push it. I see a dog around the back.
Bye.